Hi everyone, in this video we introduce you to Sydney Pro theme, which comes up with 5 inbuilt demos. Here are the 5. First is default, then band, restaurant, finance and yoga. These are the 5 default themes. The first one is of course the default one, and here we are showing you some glimpses of how the default theme would look like. So here is the default theme, and now we have the band theme. This is a view of how the band theme looks like. This is the restaurant theme, and it looks beautiful as well. Up next we have the finance theme, and this is how it looks like. 5 inbuilt demos come up with this one theme, and the last one is yoga. So yoga is also one of the demo themes that comes up with these themes. This theme also has your choice of header. You can choose your header with this particular theme, any header that you want. Also, there are extra page templates available with this theme. You can have extra widgets with Sydney Pro. And you do have new options available in the customizer. Here you can see a lot more new options are available with Sydney Pro. And there are single page or post options with the theme, as you can see right here. We do have WooCommerce compatibility with this particular theme. And a video header is available with this amazing theme, Sydney Pro. There is also a footer contact available for this theme. So yeah, this was a brief overview of how the Sydney Pro theme looks like, what it offers, what features, functionalities it has got. If you want to know more about this theme, we have the demo, documentation, and all other links of this particular theme right here below in the bio of this video. All the screenshots of this video were taken from the theme page itself. So if you want to know more about this theme, please do check out in the comments in the bio section right below. And if you want us to do more theme introductions, reviews, then please let us know in the comment section right below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.